Hello again, this is Mr. Anderson, your substitute video lesson teacher. We're going to start talking about learning target 2. I can find the missing sides and angles of a trapezoid. Now there are two kind of trapezoid that we're going to talk about, non-isosceles and isosceles trapezoids. So the first one, non-isosceles, says that if a quadrilateral is a trapezoid, then one pair of opposite sides are parallel. And so, as you can see by the arrows, those are parallel. Number 2, consecutive angles between parallel lines are supplementary. Remember, that means that they add to 180 degrees. And so both of those kind of do the same thing. Isosceles trapezoids, it has the same properties as non-isosceles trapezoids do. So supplementary opposite angles are consecutive angles, and then parallel, one side's parallel, but they also have non-parallel sides are congruent because of the isosceles, just like an isosceles triangle. Diagonals are congruent because of that property. Base angles are congruent, so these would be base angles, so the bottom two and the top two there, and then opposite angles are supplementary from one another. They also have that. So not just consecutive, but the opposite as well. So here we would like to find the missing values on these trapezoids. So angle K and angle L are supplementary. Angle J and angle M add up to 180 degrees as well. So given the two values that we have, for angle J, I can use that value of 87 degrees to find what the measure of angle M is, which is 93 degrees. And doing the same thing to find angle K, take 180 minus 51 degrees, it gets me 129 degrees for my two respective angles. Okay. Number 2 wants us to solve for x. Now because Q and R are next to each other like this in a non-isosceles trapezoid, they must add up to 180 degrees. So then I'm going to add the two angle values that I have together and set them equal to 180. So putting like terms together, 12x and 7x give me 19x. 3 plus a negative 13 is negative 10. So I add 10, divide by 19, and so that means that x equals 10. Okay? Thanks. I will see you in the next part.